Inside a child's room, a brightly lit display of pristine dolls stands before a large mirror. The dolls chatter and giggle, their voices echoing with vanity as they revel in their perfect features and clothes. "We look so pretty," doll 1 exclaims, her voice filled with self-admiration. "Our dresses, our faces, our sparkle," doll 2 adds, reinforcing their shared vanity. In the dim light of the child's room, a broken doll stands silently in the corner. Slowly, with a shuffle, the broken doll moves forward, drawn towards the mirror. With a plaintive tone, the broken doll whispers, "May I see myself too?" The beautiful dolls sneer with cold disdain. "You? In front of the mirror? You're old and broken." The mirror remains silent, its surface reflecting all. The broken doll's image stands stark against the others, a poignant reflection in the silent mirror. In the child's room, the mirror's surface ripples, distorting the reflections of the beautiful dolls. Amidst the distortion, the image of the broken doll sharpens, becoming vividly clear. The mirror speaks with gentle wisdom. "You may be old, but there is truth and love in your face." The broken doll recounts a history of affection. "The child held me close, always. I listened to her sorrows and shared her joys. These wounds are marks of that love." The child's voice echoes with affection. "My dearest doll, you are my true friend."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.